Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share with you why I'm choose to live here. And I think one of the reasons is change. As you can see, I'm standing right where the marker is right now. This is a drone video shot by someone else back in 2022. And today, I want to take you on an on-site tour to check out the changes in my city's housing, transportation, and cultural scene. The drone took off from this spot and flew over the bridge. Now, I'm standing right where the video started. As you can see, all the old, run-down houses here are gone. To upgrade living conditions in the old downtown area, the local government launched a demolition project under the bridge in 2024. In their place stand the new residential complexes you see in the frame. Every household got a brand new apartment of the same size as their old one as compensation. And the public facilities will be built on the remaining vacant land later. Most of the area under the other side of the bridge has also been torn down, waiting for further development. This is a Catholic church, which has been temporarily preserved to serve parishioners who come here regularly for religious services. More public amenities will be added here too, making daily life easier for residents. This is all part of the city's transformation, all aimed at improving people's living environments. The spot I'm standing on used to be an old industrial factory. Now it's been renovated into an art center, that building right in front of me. It was completed and opened to the public in early 2020. Part of it is a space for community recreation, and the other part showcases local traditional culture and crafts. Before these two buildings were built, learning about these cultural gems required a lot of time and effort. But now, we can easily access our local heritage right here. Today, there's an outdoor performance happening, organized by a group of senior citizens. They're mostly retirees with plenty of free time on their hands. They gather regularly to rehearse and perform, enriching their retirement life. Right next to their performance area, there are benches where the elderly can rest when they get tired. This is our local culture exhibition building, which is packed with our city's unique cultural treasures. There's so much to talk about that it would take a whole separate video to cover it all. If you're interested, I'll make a dedicated episode about it. Now, I'm at the park. The infrastructure here has been in use for nearly 30 years, so it's pretty worn out and not very user-friendly for residents. Renovation work on this section of the park kicked off earlier this month. This park runs all the way through the city along the riverbank, so it's called the Riverside Park. The jogging track in the park also stretches across the entire urban area along the river, which is why it's such a popular spot for local joggers. This is another part of the city's progress, providing better spaces for culture and recreation. To help you visualize better, let me quickly explain my city's layout. It's winter now, so all the trees are bare. I couldn't find a winter drone video, so I'm using one filmed by someone else in summer to show you around. As you can see, this river runs east-west for 500 miles, while our urban area is only 2.5 miles wide from north to south. The river cuts straight through the heart of the city, splitting it into two parts. That's why we need bridges to connect the two sides. In the past, there were only 4 major bridges in the entire downtown area. For a 30-mile-long urban zone, the gaps between bridges were way too big, making travel really inconvenient. And that's where the biggest changes have happened. Over the past few years, nearly 10 new bridges have been built, one after another, making getting around so much easier. This is the bridge that first popped up in the drone footage. It opened to traffic in 2019. And this is what it looks like at night. This bridge opened in 2022. Underneath it, there are a basketball and a soccer courts. It's connected to the park I just showed you, which runs all along the river through the city. Now, I've crossed over to the other side of this bridge. There's another basketball court here, just like the one on the other side, both brand new. That white ring-shaped structure is also a new bridge, which opened in 2022. I just realized after I got home that there's one more new bridge I didn't get to film in person, the one you see in this video clip. Down there are two rubber tracks, one for cycling and the other for jogging. They are also connected to the park we visited earlier, stretching about 20 miles along the river through the city. This bridge opened in 2023. Like the others, it has activity spaces underneath, though the construction here isn't fully finished yet. This spot is a bit far from downtown. By the time I jogged over here, it was already dark. The stairs on this bridge are really steep, so I didn't climb up. It opened to traffic back in 2020. I mentioned the bridge last week. Now, it has been open to traffic now. Finally, I want to say that these changes are some of the reasons why I love living here. The city's infrastructure is constantly improving. Residents' living standards are on the rise, and getting around is more convenient than ever. My city isn't perfect. There are plenty of things I wish were better, and it still has a long way to go. But it changes and grows every single year, and I truly believe it will keep getting better and better. Thank you all for watching. I'll be back with more videos to share my city stories with you. Your support is what keeps me going and improving. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.